Welcome back to another Neo Vector Academy tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing one of Midjourney's latest features. Midjourney has recently unveiled a new video generation feature that enables the creation of short and realistic animations from static images. The artificial intelligence feature enhances images with natural camera motion, dynamic scene details, and lighting effects, resulting in a final output reminiscent of a short cinematic video or shot. Users can simply provide a reference image to generate high-quality lifelike videos, which is highly practical for artistic, architectural, advertising, animation, or social media content projects. As you can see, a new Video tab has been added in the Explore section. Previously, Midjourney only had an Image tab. Now, in the Video tab, you can browse and play the best user-generated videos showcased there. This can be very helpful for inspiration and learning. You can click on any video thumbnail to open it larger. In the detailed view, you can see the prompt used and the starting frame image, which the static image used as the first frame, and all the generation parameters. You can also click Starting Frame to set that image as the basis for your own video. Then, by typing a new prompt, you can generate a new video starting from that frame. Likewise, clicking the Prompt button copies the used prompt so you can modify or reuse it for your own creation. Before delving into the process of creating videos in Midjourney, let's briefly review the subscription plans. Navigate to this section and click Manage Subscription. As you can see, Midjourney's video feature is available under all subscription plans, similar to the image generation. However, note that generating videos consumes more credits and time than still images. Standard plan includes a fixed amount of credits, for example, 15 hours of fast generation. If you run out of credits, you can switch to unlimited relax image generation to keep creating images without limits. Meanwhile, Pro plan includes a relax mode for both images and videos. This means you can generate unlimited images and videos with longer render times in relax mode under this plan. The quality of the generated videos is very high, and the creation process is quite fast, even for complex scenes. Let's walk through creating a video step by step. In the Create section, first generate a base image, a rock star on stage at a music festival, to describe a rock musician performing on stage. Optionally, upload an omni-reference image, for example, a photo of your own face, so the generated character resembles that reference. Set the aspect ratio 3:4 and choose the image generation version V7 and then click Create to generate the image. After creating, I refined the prompt slightly. Check it out. Rockstar playing guitar on stage at a music festival. And by using the same Omni reference, I regenerate the images. 4 new images appear. I like the first one best, so I select it. Notice that an animate button has been added on this image panel, and when you click on it, the system automatically creates the animated version. Let's talk more about it. If you click Animate on an image, Midjourney offers 2 animation modes, Auto and Manual. In Auto mode, you don't need to write any new prompt. The system automatically creates an animation based on the original prompt and the content of the image. In Manual mode, you can write an additional prompt to guide the animation, and we will try both solutions. Within both modes, there are 2 motion settings, low motion and high motion. Low motion produces slower, more natural and gentle movements, but high motion produces faster, more dynamic movements. Meanwhile, character actions or camera moves happen at higher speed and with more intensity. Let's try it. I choose Auto and Low Motion and let Midjourney animate the image, and as I said, it doesn't ask for any prompt. It returns to the Create view and begins generating a video. Our video is ready. Hovering over the video thumbnail reveals the animation. Indeed, it reflects our prompt, a rock star playing guitar on stage. I notice the generated character has hair, which was not desired. The movement looks dynamic, and the guitar playing hand is detailed, but I want the character to be bald. To fix this, I go back to the original image. If you remember, we animated it automatically with low motion. Now I switch to manual and low motion. The image is set as the starting frame and its original prompt appears. I can edit this prompt. I added the phrase bald man to remove the hair, keeping rock star playing guitar on stage, as before. Submitting this new prompt generates 4 new videos. The results are much improved. The character has no hair, and the motion looks great. I can enlarge one video to ensure there are no bugs. Everything looks smooth. All generated videos automatically play in a loop in the interface. A useful tip: right-click on the video panel and select Autoplay Videos. Then each video will only play when you hover the mouse over it. Also notice the hint, Control to Scrub. If you click on a video and hold the Control key while moving the mouse left or right, you can manually scrub through the video. This is very handy for quickly reviewing frames, especially when we talk about extending the video. By default, created videos are 5 seconds long. To make the video longer, use the Extend Video parameter. Go ahead and choose a video. I like the first one and I'd like make the video longer than 5 seconds. Here we have the Extend Video, and it has the 2 options, Auto with no new prompt needed, or Manual with a prompt. Let's try and select Manual and Low Motion to continue with a prompt. I wrote a new prompt to extend the scene. A man playing guitar on stage, and the camera pulls back to reveal a large concert crowd. Submitting this adds 4 seconds to the video, which is a total of 9 seconds. In Midjourney, you can extend in 4-second increments, up to a maximum of 21 seconds. Let's check the result. The first 5 seconds of each extended video match the original, and the following 4-second segment shows the camera pulling back to a big crowd, as we requested, and it is really beautiful and fantastic. Enlarging the first video confirms the action. The camera retreats in the final part and reveals a large audience, just as defined by our new prompt. Please focus here. We effectively have 2 parts, the original 5's and the 4's extension. Let's try another example. In our last practice, we first created an image in Midjourney and then animated it using Midjourney prompts. Now, let's see how you can import an image from outside Midjourney and animate it. For instance, I have a 3D scene from 3D Studio Max that I rendered with Vase. I save this render image and upload it to Midjourney to crafting exceptional animation and video content. In Midjourney, drag the render image into the starting frame section. The new version allows video creation from an image. This image can either be generated in Midjourney or uploaded to the starting frame section. Once uploaded, we can write a prompt for the animation. The camera slowly moves forward. A very cute dog enters from the left side of the scene, jumps on the sofa, spins around, and sits down. The camera may shake slightly for a cinematic effect. Let's generate the 5 seconds video and check the final version. The result is impressive, and it exactly created the details on prompt. The dog enters from the left, jumps onto the sofa, spins and sits, with the camera moving forward, just as described. The prompt was followed very accurately, and the video is exceptional. To continue the action, I extend this video. I select the generated video, choose Manual Extend plus Low Motion, and write a new prompt. The dog jumps off the sofa and exits the frame. Submitting this creates new videos. As you can see, the first 5 seconds are the same, the next 4 seconds are different. In the final videos, you can see each dog leaving the scene in a slightly different way. For example, in the last option, the dog clearly jumps off and fully exits our frame after the initial 5 seconds. In summary, Midjourney's new video feature allows us to transform any image into a dynamic animation by applying AI-driven camera and character movements.